Two adults
outnumbered by 3 teens and 2 cats,
trying to run 2 small businesses
and make one really big Disney dream come true.
Welcome to Magical Chaos. That was awkward.
I'm Mark, a travel professional specializing in Disney vacations.
And I'm Marisol, a stained glass artist and owner of June Gloom Studio.
We got married in August 2024 and live outside of Chicago in Forest Park, Illinois.
A town best known for our cemeteries.
Nice. Our shared love for all things Disney brings us to this channel.
We've traveled to the parks more times than you can imagine.
For work.
Right.
For work.
Work.
Yeah. And as you can imagine, we have quite the collection of stories, souvenirs, and lessons learned.
What you're gonna get here is a never-ending stream of all things Disney.
And my expertise as a travel planner. But we are trying to run 2 small businesses from home, my travel business.
And my stained glass studio.
And together, this channel.
Hold on, this is being recorded, right?
My intent is to grow this channel and my travel business and to spend all the time I can with you.
My goal is to document and share my journey of following my childhood dream.
Oh, and at the end of this video, we're gonna share what our favorite Disney park souvenirs are, so stick around for that. In our videos, both longs and shorts, we'll share the steps it takes to grow our businesses. You'll see challenges, failures, and successes, and all the steps along the way.
You never said anything about failures. And also bits and pieces of our kids, our cats, and all of our other hobbies.
With the hopes that those of you working out there trying to get your own passion projects off the ground will find comfort and community right here with us.
If we're not at Disney or at home, then we're probably out eating. I want a Coke.
We might be here in Forest Park along Madison Street. We might be out on Lake Street in my previous home of Oak Park.
Or checking out one of my favorite restaurants in Berwyn, my old hometown.
Or if you catch us in the Disney park, you might see me getting tricked into dressing up as a Disney character. I guess it's called Disney bounding, which I'm told is a totally normal thing to do and not like something crazy like, what's the word for it?
Well, you have to dip your toes in the water with Disney bounding before we get into full-on cosplay. We'll get there.
Wow, talk about the failures and successes.
From someone who said they don't dress up.
I don't dress up, I Disney bound. Disney bounding, if you don't know, is dressing up in a character's style, but not really their costume.
It's more essence of character.
Like essence of being tricked into dressing up. And that one big dream is adding more and more Southern California to our lives until Disneyland finally hires Marisol as an Imagineer.
And they hire Mark as a train conductor?
Train conductor, or Crush from Turtle Talk with Crush. I think I could totally do that accent. Totally. See?
Yeah.
I can totally that would be good.
You could work at the boutique giving makeovers.
I was gonna say Gaston, but thanks for thinking I need a makeover. Essence of Gaston. And our wish of living in Disneyland comes true. And our, wow. 3, 2, 1. And our wish of living inside of Disneyland.
Let's not do this again. Follow us as we figure out how to manage our time and home.
And let our creativity loose on our businesses. Please share your experiences with us.
We're eager to learn from you and to connect with all of you guys. If this sounds like your kind of magical chaos,
then we hope you not only subscribe, but actively be a part of our YouTube community. Oh, and we said we were gonna show you our favorite Disney park souvenirs, so I'm gonna go first. Here is my first one. This is my Pixar Fest hoodie from 2024. I love this hoodie, I wear it all the time. I love the inside of the hood here. It has the Pixar balls. And then on the back, it has this really cool Pixar Fest logo out in Disneyland Park. So that's my favorite souvenir. What is your favorite souvenir?
Favorite, favorite?
Favorite.
I can't show you.
Why?
I ate it.
Wow.
But
That's tragic.
I have my second favorite one.
Oh, essence of Baymax.
It's my Baymax zipper. A little hole for the straw. And he's got his little charging pad. It's adorable. I've never put any liquid in it. I love it too much. Do your cheeks ever hurt?
Sometimes.
Mine
My
do.
jaw.
I get nervous. And then like I forget how to smile. And like is there another word for snippets?
She's gonna do it. She's gonna totally double knot this. Let's see if she can pull this off. We're witnessing history here, folks. Do you believe in miracles? Yes.
Oh, that was terrible. Hold on.
Something about failures.